Clever Fox Accounting Ledger combines premium quality and maximum functionality to help you easily track payments, deposits, and balances in each account. This ledger comes in a large format and measures 7 by 10 inches, providing plenty of writing space to record every detail. The hardcover is made of soft-touch vegan leather and features a pen loop, an elastic band, a ribbon bookmark, and convenient lay-flat binding to ensure you can write comfortably. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM paper, so you can use any writing utensils with no risk of ink bleeding or ghosting. At the back of the book, you will find a spacious back pocket where you can store bills, receipts, and other loose papers. With 38 pre-printed entries per page, you can record up to 4,712 operations in total. Each entry provides space to record the number of each operation, its date, description, the amount paid out or deposited, and the total balance. To track multiple banking accounts with one book, simply add the number of each account to the dedicated column. At the back, you will find 3 empty dotted pages for any extra notes or calculations you need to make. This way, you can track your financial activity easily and effectively all year round. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.